just did order some more parts, bro. The ZL1 is taxing me, but it's part of it. I've got hopefully good news still to come to Friday, and you can see right here, I just bought my new dive planes. I had to buy the bezels and the dive planes and everything. I can pull that up for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. But you can see the bezels and the actual dive planes for the front bumper. I had to order those separately. Does not come with the front bumper, and Wildhammer supplied it. $375, bro. Not gonna lie, I was gonna go carbon fiber, but they wanted like $600 just for the dive planes, and your boy's trying to save where he can because I have other plans I'm gonna do to the car, and honestly, that's not gonna get me anything crazy. Eventually, I'll upgrade that once the bag comes in. Then y'all did see in the video where the tow truck driver hooked up to my tow hook.
Oh, yeah, it's in gear. Yeah, that's what I told him. Hold on.
Told him it was just for looks. He didn't believe me. I don't know why, but had to buy a new tow hook. These things are taxed $175, but it came with a camera mount for a GoPro, and it actually says tow on it. I got a red joint, and it says tow on there. So it was dope. It looks a lot better anyway, and it has a camera mount. At least upgrade it. If I gotta upgrade, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. So GoPro mount on that. I did just buy my 2 rock guards for the front. Hopefully Monday, which is tomorrow of recording this to y'all and talking to y'all. Hopefully Monday all my parts do get ordered, and I'll figure out more of how much I'm paying, how much it costs to rebuild the Z. I appreciate everybody that has watched the video to this point. I am doing these longer videos because it's more fun. I enjoy just kind of doing everything with y'all. Y'all get to see my life, go to the gym, start the gym. Let me know how y'all feel about the gym content too. Your boy's growing. I'm having to step out of my comfort zone, record in places I'm not used to because I don't got the car. So it's all part of life, all part of growing. Usually, boys, what y'all are scared of doing is probably what is something to do with your biggest aspirations and dreams in life. So for me, I'm super worried and nervous, and I'm not a big people person, so I don't really like going in public. I'd rather just chill inside. But it's crazy because YouTube, obviously, you got to be out, you got to be recording in public. So I already don't like to talk in groups of people. Now I'm recording in front of groups of people, and that's the only way to grow. So use your mind, think about that, think about what your fears are, and somehow figure out if they tie into your dreams and aspirations. Usually what you're supposed to be in life is what you're scared of. If it's something like that, like fears, like being out in public or talking to people, social anxiety, anything like that, you have to conquer that to be who you want to be. So I'm growing. Y'all grow with me if you're watching. Road to 10K subs. Hopefully by May I'll have 10K subs, and we'll do something crazy for that. I appreciate all y'all through the process of rebuilding the Z. Yeah, because the content has been just your boy. So I got a lot to say, a lot to talk about. I get a lot of thoughts on my ideas, and I just don't have nobody to talk to because your boy just be chilling, like literally. So when I want to talk to somebody, I just talk to y'all boys because y'all helping me through this. I'm helping y'all through this. I'm showing y'all the path, my path, the blueprint to success. So if you are like me, bro, like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I'm gonna pick up this camera back once we get back into some other business. Guess by the time y'all see this video, I'm gonna have time for my video to blow up and go crazy. That's what I'm planning on happening, you know? I'm planning, you know, God's got the bigger plan. God knows the best possible way to get to where I wanna go. You know, I get the visions of how to get there, and I get the visions of, like, how you want your end life, and it may be different from you, but like I have my visions, that's why I vlog my life, and you have your visions, that's why you vlog your life. That's why everybody's content is different. If you just have visions of like having a big house, or having visions of like just being able to feed your family or give back to your family, or you know, anything super easy like that, it doesn't even matter what it is, but everybody's probably provided those, you know, visions of what they want to be. That's how you follow, and that's how you know what your goals and what you should do. Sometimes you go down paths and doors open from paths. So from wrecking the car, I planned that it's for the best, and we're gonna grow, and it's for the best end result, and how to get to my end result the correct way. But everybody's been saying to get long. I get like a comment on every video, couple comments every video. They want long tube headers, so I'm about to throw some speed engineering long tube headers. I'm gonna get these on the way. X pipe, all the connection pipes, pretty much gonna have a straight piped ZL1, and I'm gonna get those on the way. So I'm stretching because your boy is trying to get swole. I'm gonna be on my motivational shit. I'm gonna tell you how to get better, so I'm gonna follow through. That means like if I'm doing it, y'all gotta do it, literally. I think that's what that means. Shout out fucking, oh, yeah, you get these right here. Get that nice, ooh, that internal stretch right there. Pause, but this is the best one. I'm talking about ordering fucking long tube headers, and I'm hitting a sumo squat right now. Trust my process. If you get made fun of in life, you may make fun of me, but it doesn't really matter. I'm probably never ever gonna see you. But for the people that understand. Modless, that's what I was thinking about. Modless for the ZL1 so far. We're gonna have long tube headers coming, the upgraded heat exchanger, the intake, it's 160 thermostat, and that's gonna be my mod list so far to the ZL1. Bread, ever, that white, thick, soft bread, and then I'm gonna go Jif to go. You go through desperate times in different measures where you don't got food and you resort to peanut butter sandwiches. They're cheap to make. This is how I support my dreams, bro. Literally starve myself. Don't get clothes. So if y'all wanna send me clothes, I can get a P.O. box and y'all can get me some fire clothes. I'm down to wear cool stuff, promote it. You know, not charge. Maybe charge for story posts. Who knows? Wear it in the videos. Promote y'all boys for free for right now. You know, P.O. box. Let me know if I should get a P.O. box. Y'all can send me some cool shit. We'll do unboxing videos of the P.O. box or throw it in the vlogs. That could be cool. I want to get cool clothes. I just literally don't know where to get cool clothes, bro. You see my skin. I'm a Caucasian male. Everybody gets me button ups like 15-tone flannels, bro. And it's like a different color one every year. Y'all know the Caucasian families. So y'all can send me some cool shit. Y'all can get my clothing game up. I can dress a little bit better because I really do like to dress. I just don't know what to wear. So hit me up with some ideas. Send me some cool stuff and I'll throw it in the vlog. Don't like cooking. That's why I got Shorty up in here. That's why I got my boy CJ, my personal chef. I just don't like cooking, bro. I just smack what takes the quickest time to do because I get bored and I eat and then I go do something and then I want to take a little snack while I'm walking around or before I go ride my bike. Luckily I got that fast metabolism. It's Monday. I'm about to go to work. I got the Ranger key because I told you I can't go nowhere or the Ranger might fly off the road. We got a new tire appointment set up this morning. I'm gonna get up to work, clean out the busty, dirty Ranger, and hopefully go drop it off for some new tires. So I'm gonna take y'all boys with the gang today. Gotta say bye to Wardo. Bye, Wardo. See you in a little bit. She been sweet lately, though. I'm not gonna lie. She tries to get me, but come along with me. For the boys that don't know, I do tint windows, so I'm about to go crazy on this Ram. Back window got shot out, so we're gonna match it up to all the side windows. And I got a couple other cars today. I got another full Ram, I got a full Honda Accord, and then I got like a front two. Life is an ass, sometimes you gotta grab it. One down, second one coming in. Another Ram. This one is full truck. Remove the front two because it's got old film. Tint the whole truck 5%. This is what I do to afford all my cars, bro. You ask me, bro, how do you afford that crazy penthouse? Window tint. How do you afford that crazy track jet prototype window tint? How do you afford that neon green GT3 RS window tint? Pick up with y'all once my steamer heats up. Remove the front two and we'll cut this car out and get to it. Cheat code, if you're trying to take the seals out. That one looks like it about giving me scoliosis, I'm not gonna lie. Cheat code to take film off. Not every time it works the best. Sometimes it just kind of helps keep the film from breaking down together. On my own, I'ma do my own thing. Mama in the mansion had to relocate. This is for like all my homies that are getting older, even if it's not like who I'm talking about. This is really for my boy Jacob. He texted me the other day, bro. And when you start to get older, bro, I'm like 22 now, and all my homies, I got a couple younger homies I keep keep in my life, because we grew up a little bit, you know, since I moved in this area. They've always been there, and growing up a little bit, you know what I'm saying. Shout out my boy WJ and Jacob. Jacob texted me the other day. Shout out to my boy. He said shout out to 3.44 thousand. So road to 10K, as y'all do know, get us to 10K. But he said everybody's getting older, bro. So if you are getting older and you're trying to figure out why your homies are like don't hang out as much as y'all used to, bro, life after high school, I'm telling y'all, it gets crazy. We start going down our own paths. We get a little bit of freedom. You get to experience what you want to without people kind of interfecting in that and doing what you want to do. And you kind of like try to find, like, those first couple years out of high school, first 4 years, you're kind of starting to develop into your own person. That's why that's when I started making YouTube. That's when I started doing what I enjoyed, because you don't have people in the way of blocking what you want to do, and you're, you know, like making fun of you. And if they are, you don't see them every day like you did in high school, so it gets a little bit easier. But yeah, I thought about that. Shout out to Jacob as well, bro. No, none of the boys forgot about each other. We're just all growing up. We're all trying to figure it out. We're all gonna make it and be successful. Posting a short right now on YouTube. This is keeping up with a 9 to 5 and keeping up with the side hustle. Remember, you always got time. There's no excuse. Showing y'all how easy it is to keep up with while you're at the work. It's always possible. Even though you don't got to start like this. I didn't start doing all this. Eventually, my shit just started to get more views. So now I post a little bit more. That's all that is. And you got to believe in yourself. You know, there's a lot of times where I've been made fun of, especially like at work. People that are your homies, you know, all that. Eventually they see it. Eventually they see you're not gonna stop and keep going. Also, keep in mind, bro, the cheat code, I think, is content like that, and do the AI on CapCut, words on the screen right there, and do the little blur effect. I can teach all that in a short as well, because it was hard for me to figure out how to do, but that's like the method right now. It works. 10K almost every short. So that's like a couple dollars every time I post a short. So imagine if you spam 50 of those a day. So I'm just gonna clap in front of everything, and the truck is just gonna be done. 2, 1. Finish with this ting, even posting 11:55. Truck is fully done. Hey, one more. Last one of the day, and then I'm going to pick up the Ranger. New tires cost me $700 with an alignment, bro. I don't know what part of the cheapest tires we got. They didn't understand, but hey, Jesus app Bible. Last window. This is a different one. These right here, you cannot tint. Your hand will not fit in them.
What up, chat? He don't even know this is gonna be in here, but damn. I don't know when this video coming back out, but he in his bag for real. He really in his bag. Y'all about to see him pop off. He about to go stupid with a camera. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna see a big new car coming soon. New car on the way.
And on some other news, I do finally have my Apex wheel. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and open it and make sure it's the right one, so I don't got to send it back. So fucking Apex passenger front wheel finally back. I don't know what number this is. Like, bro, coming out of pocket for all this to try to not go through insurance. This is how you keep a minimalistic problem. It's like hitting a deer and then devaluing your car 20,000. That's not about to happen. So your boy's DIYing the whole thing. We're rebuilding the ZL1 just so we can keep our money. It's smart. Let me know. Should I have went through insurance or should I not? Let me know, because I'm getting my full retail on mine still. Like, I'm not about to lose 20K off a ZL1 just by putting $3,000 worth of damage on there. But this wheel should be the right one. I'm pretty sure it was an 18 by 11 Apex wheel. Let's see if it's correctamundo. I don't know if I got nothing. It looks right. It looks right. It looks right. Let's open it up. Let's open it. And it looks correct. Right here. 18 by 11 SM10. Should be right. I don't know. Let me open it furtherly. 18 by 11. I'm pretty sure down here, 18 by 11 for the front, 18 by 12 for the back. Thankfully, I only needed one. Tomorrow, I am gonna take these up here, drop these off, take the wrecked ones off, take the bent wheel, take the tire off of that, put it on this wheel right here, take my driver's side one, didn't get bent but got dirt all in the wheel, take it off, clean it out, put it back on the car. So hopefully I'm getting to the point where now all I gotta do is just make sure all my parts get ordered in for the actual like front bumpers and all of that sort of ordeal, and then wait for them to come in, make sure they're not on back order. Then I got to figure out if I should paint my car or wrap my car. Let me know down below if I should wrap it or paint it, because yeah, I got to do what y'all want to do, and this is the perfect time to wrap it since I won't have paint on the car that I'll have to worry about getting pulled off as bad, and it'll have to be repainted either way. So if I do wrap and it peels paint, I got to paint my car either way. So this is the time to do it. Let me know down below if any wrap ideas or if I should just paint it. I don't really know. I'm at a loss of words, but there's a lot I can do. But I'm gonna get out of here, take these to the shop, pick up my other wheels, and go meet up with Tony now so I can pick up my broken wheels and drop them off in the morning. A lot going on. Ranger is back. I'm about to show y'all the new tires on the Ranger as well. Let's hurry up and get out of here, out of the tent bay. And as you can see, got the Ranger ting right here with the new Freshie All Seasons. The Ranger, I'm about to go slide this bitch, not gonna lie. All right, we finally back home, just cooked up a little dinner. 7:35, my boy Tony just hit my line. I'm about to go pick up my wheels to drop them off in the morning, and we'll be picking up parts coming in, wheels getting on. Parts got ordered today. As soon as I know that got ordered, I'm gonna update y'all with the confirmation to make sure, so I'm not lying to y'all. And sometimes I'll lie. Sometimes I say something and I think it's gonna happen and it doesn't end up happening. But we're about to get down the road. I gotta bring my cup of joe because I just made it. Tony hit my line. We're about to hop in the Ranger. I can drink this in the Ranger. I'm not worried. I'm gonna pick up with y'all boys in the Ranger in just a minute. Say goodbye to fucking Big Mama. Boy, she got fat. She got probably 20 pounds on her in the last 15 days or so. As you can see, I got the Z piece right there. Just acquired the wheels. I'm dropping them bitches off tomorrow.
Is that the old wheel and
got that boy CJ on that motherfucker.
I'm on 4K,
hold up.
caught lacking.
Yes, sir. CJ, how you feeling? Hold on. Live reaction to the Z.
Oh.
Unreal. Ka-chow. Got that boy CJ in there, 400 on the T. Tell him, run the fit down. Tell him from the head to the toe, he's in the live in the flesh. Look at this. It's a fucking glow ski. You see the fucking DGK on the board. Don't trip. Tell him 400 on the T.
Oh, who cut that off?
It should still work. Do it again. Got y'all dumbass. You looking stupid as hell. Talking 4 times. Tell him 400 on the T because it's light. Fit rundown check from the head to the toe. What we gonna go? Red key. All right, 400 on the T. How much it cost? Hey, AI CJ. Look at this live reaction though. I am gonna turn this back on. Live reaction. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Look at this, brother. First time seeing it. What you gotta say? Look at that motherfucker protruded.
You think it wouldn't work?
Do what? What language?
I think that would work.
You think it would work?
Yeah.
Alright, well, new Apex wheels in. First time seeing it.
I'd sell those.
You'd sell the broken one?
Yeah.
I'm hanging that bitch on the wall, bro. Come on now.
Oh no,
That's going
auction
on
that bitch off.
Auction it off.
Yeah. Highest bidder.
Hey, enter to win, but honestly, win.
Rex ZL1's fucking wheel.
Should we wrap it?
Wrap the wheel?
Wrap the Z.
Wrap the Z. I voted yes. I saw where
10?
some of them started going less on the no. I don't know what you picked up on.
I don't know. I think we should go tan, but I ain't gonna lie. Matte tan?
Would be hard.
Matte tan.
With the red brake calipers?
Might be.
Don't you have red?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That should be hard as fuck.